What is going on, everybody? I want to share with you something that's pretty exciting. There's a brand new spray paint primer I have been trying out. It is called IronLak. It is $5.99 a can at Hobby Lobby. Now, I just want to share with you some, cool stuff about it, some potential reasons not to buy it. But if you're in the mood for trying out some new colored spray paints on your models, this is probably worth picking up a can just to give it a shot. So first off, it comes in a lot of cool colors. Right here we got sort of a aqua blue. You can see I primed this water elemental or wind elemental from WizKids with it. On a large model like this, it does leave a little bit of texture. So I would not use this for Space Marines. I would not use this for vehicles. But anything that's a little more organic, I think it's going to be okay. Maybe not the best for like a water or wind elemental, but if you can see, the texture is not totally crazy. It is just a little noticeable, and I'll show you something else about that. What I picked up originally was sort of a blue and pink to try out sort of a sci-fi synth wave, whatever all the trendy YouTube painter nonsense is about. Which I don't like at all generally. It's not my thing. I think it's not great. But I wanted to try it just to see. So what you're going to do, you buy like a pink and a teal. You spray from one direction to the other, and you sort of get like a sci-fi kind of neon lighting look. Here's my beholder I painted from WizKids, and I entered this in a local painting competition at the local game store. And, it came out pretty cool. It's got sort of a techno WizKid or a sci-fi cyberpunk whatever look, and I'm happy I tried out those paints on it. Right now, the texture, the pink didn't really seem to leave much of a texture. I think the teal is more causing the texture, but you can tell the models came out pretty nice quality. It's up for sale on eBay if you want to check the links below and check out my eBay listings. Also, of course, we got the ghost paint brushes. All of them are available, and the new ones from the recent Kickstarter will be available soon. And speaking of IronLak spray paint, $5.99. They have metallics too. They have a couple of them. This one I picked up here is the sort of brass or chrome or copper. Let's see what the color says. It says, it doesn't say. What a 2 cents. The color is called 2 cents. So I guess that's copper for penny or something. I don't know. Pennies. But anyway, here it is on a skull cup, which will be in the next Kickstarter. I don't know if you've seen the Kickstarters, but I'm going to be painting up this cup in sort of a rusted out metal patinaed sort of look. And you can see here, it is a pretty nice metallic spray paint for $5.99. Another advantage of your Hobby Lobby, which as a company, I don't know if they're worth supporting, but they offer a lot of coupons and stuff because they are a big chain. So I think when I got these, they were $5.99. I think they were on sale for $3.99. But the copper one, when I went back and picked that up, it was, I believe, $5.99. But here's an example. You can see a lot of the texture on this one. And I don't know if this is just because it's a completely smooth plastic cup, but it does get some of that scaling. There's probably ways to avoid it, or, I shook it up a lot, so I don't think that's it. It could have been the temperature, could have been the amount I sprayed. Maybe lighter coats is better. But in a project like this, I don't care. I'm going to weather this out. I want this to have texture, and that's actually going to be a huge benefit that it already provided some of that for me. So that's going to come out with dry brush, with washes and things. It's going to look really great. So would I recommend these? Yes, if you want to play around with some colors. I think for the price, it's worth it, right? Try it on some stuff. If you got a dragon, right, maybe pick up a green. If you got a Necron army, like that texture is not going to be a bad thing for Necron vehicles. If you're doing slick sci-fi space marine armor and vehicles, probably not the right choice. If you're doing terrain, 100% it's going to work great. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you tried any other brands. I just saw this one, saw some cool colors. IronLak. I'm sure it's mostly for like canvas painting or whatever. Artist grade acrylic spray paint. It's also acrylic, which you know, I don't know. That could be something. I'll see you in the next one. Let me know down below if you've tried these out or if you're going to try them out. And I'll talk to you next time. Adios.